Stick around and watch me build this nest for a Great Crested Flycatcher.
Hey, I'm Kelly. If you enjoy DIY and woodworking, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel and keep you updated when I release new content.
I'll leave a link in the description below for these instructions.
Now before assembling, I'm going to take my palm router and this 45-degree chamfer bit, and I'm going to cut off this sharp edge so it won't cut your fingers when we hang this or when we need to open up the sides and such. And see, it takes off that sharp edge you see here and makes it a little bit more friendly to the fingers. Believe it or not, this is the only second time that I've actually used a router. Oh, by the way, these biscuit blocks, actually bench cookies, are amazing. It acts as friction so it won't slide and your workpiece stays in place. Pretty nice. Now that we have the rough edges out of the way, we can put this thing together. This center punch is a good way to ensure that you're going to have a good initial hole in the middle where you want things to go. Very nice. And now to drill the entrance. All right, so it looks like it's going to be a 1 3/4 inch hole. Trying to see if we can avoid some blowout on this. So I'm going to remove this piece
to flip it over and finish the hole on the other side.
Nice. And that's how you prevent a big blowout on each side. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little round over edge here so it's not so sharp. All right, pretty nice.
I took the lessons I learned building my first nest and applied them to this one. A lot less mistakes, for sure.
Pretty cool, I like it. Very cute.
And there it is, my second ever bird nest. Let me know in the comments what you think of this birdhouse. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.